In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli art without using ChatGPT. It's a pretty straightforward process, and by the end of it, you'll be crafting your own whimsical and enchanting artworks, reminiscent of the iconic Studio Ghibli style. Let's dive right in. First, we need to kick off our journey by heading over to your web browser and navigating to Google. It may seem simple, but Google acts as our gateway to a plethora of creative resources online. Once you're there, all you need to do is type the word Grok into the search bar. Grok is a platform that will help us in generating that signature Ghibli-esque feeling in our art. Once you've typed Grok, press Enter. Scrolling through the search results, you're looking for the official Grok website. It usually appears as one of the top links, and clicking on it will direct you straight to where the magic happens. Or, in our case, the art creation begins. Now that we've arrived at Grok's website, it's time to delve into the creative process. The first step here is to come up with a suitable prompt. This is where your imagination and descriptive prowess come into play. For this tutorial, we're going with a whimsical prompt. Envision Yoda sipping tea in a cozy forest hut, surrounded by creatures that resemble those from the world of Totoro, all wrapped in that enchanting Studio Ghibli art style. This prompt doesn't just communicate an idea, but it also sets the mood for the artwork we're about to generate. Next, having crafted your beautiful prompt, you'll notice a Submit button on the Grok platform. Simply click this button to set the creative wheels in motion. Submitting the prompt engages the platform's capabilities to interpret and visualize your words into that beloved Ghibli art look. There's always a hint of anticipation here, as the final step reveals how your input will translate into an image. It's often fascinating to see how the elements of your prompt coalesce into a harmonious piece of art. As you bask in the delight of your freshly created artwork, remember that each prompt can produce a unique piece. You can explore different scenarios and elements, tweaking them to see how they'll manifest in this imaginative Ghibli world. The possibilities are virtually endless, and with a bit of practice, you'll be adept at crafting evocative, Ghibli-style creations. I hope this tutorial sparks your creativity and inspires you to experiment further. Whether you're creating art for fun or looking to add a new element to your digital portfolio, Grok provides a wonderful avenue for artistic exploration. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more creative adventures.